Hey guys, Farmer Jeremiah here at Jocus Farm. Just want to bring you an update on the plants, the Romas. Still got some lettuce and radishes that I need to harvest, but some of it's starting to bolt. See, the flowers are starting to form, but they still taste okay, so we're still eating on it. Here's the best Romas. Starting to put on buds. We still got spinach. This spinach surprisingly hasn't bolted. It's actually doing pretty well. These jujubes are starting to flower. This one did. So I'm debating if I want to pull it off because these plants are still pretty tiny. I probably will, so I can put more energy in foliar growth, instead of trying to flower and make a fruit where it's just going to continue to be small. If you can kind of see it come. The ones that I do have are doing alright. These are the best Puron that I got. And then down here, I told you I had faith in the ones that would come back. Well, I decided to replace them. So I pulled out the ones that were heavily damaged and replaced them with some Italian Romas, which are starting to put some green on and hopefully put some fruit on for us. There's some of my nursery stuff, some squash and cantaloupe that I'm going to be planting this evening. And I'm trying to grow some basil and stuff. I just haven't had too much luck. I went to Aunt Carrie's and picked up these tomato plants to help me out on replacing some that I lost. Here's the outdoor garden. You get on the other side here. These are my yellow pears, the yellow pears that we planted. They're actually starting to look pretty decent. Fertilized them with some blood meal and just letting them do their thing. We had a couple down here that passed, didn't make it, but that's where those plants that I got from Aunt Carrie's got to come into play. I just got one extra. I decided I'd just fill in with one instead of two at the end here. And I got some black cherries here. Some are doing okay, some not so hot. Well, this one's completely... Oh yeah, I forgot. Like I said, I got some replacements. They aren't black cherry though. I could have bought some black cherries, but I bought some different varieties. So, got a few that made it. Got a lot of learning to do. And then over here I got my mixed toms. I got some that are making it, kind of like the same. The best one is the Cherokee Purple, right there. I got some that didn't make it. Still learning. We need to grow better, stronger seedlings next year, so that we can have really great looking plants like the ones I just bought. It's completely achievable. Just gotta learn. But the ones that are starting to establish are doing pretty okay. So we can expect a harvest. Maybe not as soon as I'd hoped for, but we're definitely going to have loads of tomatoes with the ones that do make it. Well, thanks for tuning in. Just a little tour of our tomato crop. And we got a potato bed here. Alright.